To install Neuron Spectrum NET software on your computer, please insert the installation disk to your DVD drive. Setup program will start automatically. If it is not, please run it from the disk manually. In Setup Program window, select Neuron Spectrum NET item. Press left mouse button. Then select your language and follow the installation instructions. You can set up the installation path. During the installation process, Setup Program will install all files and components which are necessary to work. Now you can finish the installation. Neuron Spectrum NET is successfully installed on your computer. You can run it using shortcut on your working table. In Identification window, please enter your name and password if you want. Now Neuron Spectrum NET is ready to work.